Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the NVIDIA GeForce Game Ready driver installation error on Windows. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Start menu and type Check for Updates. Open Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Make sure your system is fully updated before installing any NVIDIA drivers. Outdated Windows components can cause driver installation errors. Step 2. Go to the link in the description and download the new NVIDIA app. This app replaces GeForce Experience, which is usually where this error happens. Step 3. Install and open the NVIDIA app. Go to the Drivers tab and click Check for Updates. Download and install the latest Game Ready driver. Once the installation finishes successfully, the issue should be fixed. Final step. If the error still appears, restart your PC. After restarting, open the NVIDIA app again. In most cases, the driver installation error will be gone. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the NVIDIA GeForce Game Ready driver installation error on Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming.